Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Lectric XP Lite 2.0 electric bike, one of the most impressive lightweight folding e-bikes of 2025. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the link below to grab this model at its limited time Amazon price. The XP Lite 2.0 tends to sell out fast whenever it's restocked. Right out of the box, the XP Lite 2.0 feels premium and thoughtfully designed. It's sleek, lightweight, and built for practicality. The frame folds down in seconds, making it super easy to store in a trunk, apartment, or RV. Perfect for commuters or weekend adventurers. Despite weighing only 49 pounds, it feels incredibly sturdy and stable thanks to its well-balanced geometry and upgraded folding latch system. The new paint finish and refined cable routing also give it a much cleaner, more modern look. If you want to see which colors or battery options are available right now, tap the link below. They move quickly. Now, let's talk performance. Because this little e-bike packs a serious punch. The XP Lite 2.0 features a high-efficiency hub motor that delivers smooth acceleration and a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it a Class 1 and Class 2 certified e-bike. The 5-pedal assist levels let you customize your ride. Whether you want a light boost for exercise or a full-powered cruise for effortless commuting. Combined with the efficient battery system, you can cover up to 45 miles per charge, which is incredible for such a compact e-bike. Riding experience? Absolutely solid. The XP Lite 2.0 is nimble, responsive, and comfortable on city streets, bike paths, and even light trails. The 20-inch tires and optimized suspension geometry provide a smooth ride, while the upgraded saddle and ergonomic grips reduce fatigue during longer trips. It's perfect for students, commuters, and casual riders who want freedom without the bulk of a full-size e-bike. To see today's latest Amazon deal, tap the first link below. Prices can change weekly based on availability. Another highlight. It's whisper quiet. The motor operates smoothly without any annoying hum or vibration. The LCD display is bright and easy to read, showing your speed, assist level, and battery life at a glance. It also features integrated lights for better visibility at night, adding an extra layer of safety for urban riding. Charging is quick and easy, taking about 4 to 6 hours to go from empty to full. And because it's foldable, you can charge it anywhere. At your desk, in your apartment, or even on the go. Maintenance is simple too, with durable components built to last thousands of miles. So, to wrap it up, the Lectric XP Lite 2.0 electric bike is an incredible blend of portability, performance, and value. You're getting a lightweight 49-pound frame, 45-mile range, smart pedal assist control, and easy folding convenience. All at a price that makes it one of the best commuter e-bikes of 2025. Click the first link in the description to check today's Amazon price before it changes. These sell out quickly every time they drop. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns and daily product reviews. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.